A nut milk maker machine like this one actually can make juice. So oftentimes people make juice using a specific juicer, but there's another way that you can actually make juice, and that's by blending all of the ingredients together and then just straining them yourself. So one juice that I've been making every day that's packed with vitamins and minerals and is so healthy is a green pineapple juice smoothie. So what I do is I combine celery, carrots, pineapple juice, and some baby greens like baby kale and baby spinach into my nut milk machine along with a little bit of water. Then I set it to the juice function, and my Novalife juice nut maker makes this juice in 3 minutes. So once it's finished doing its juicing cycle, it blends it for 3 minutes, and then at the end you have a really delicious juice. Now, you don't have to strain this. You can actually drink all of it, including all the fiber, which is really beneficial. But I actually really like to strain this. So I actually purchased a straining device like you're seeing right now. This straining device allows me to strain juices and nut milks without any mess and barely any effort. It's such a game changer. I used to use things like nut milk bags or cheesecloth, but I no longer use those anymore. I just use this simple device that I purchased on Amazon. And as always, I always share all of the links to the products that I'm sharing with you in these videos in the description below. All of these products can be found in my Amazon storefront. Now, one other feature that I love about this nut milk machine is that it actually has a self-cleaning function. So what I do when I'm finished using it is I just fill it with water and then I set it to self-clean. And in 10 minutes, it actually boils the water in there, blends it up, and sanitizes the whole inside of the machine. So the cleanup is so quick and easy. So if you enjoyed this recipe, definitely make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more nut milk maker recipes. This juice is just so delicious.